Can't believe we are staring at that majestic face at such close quarters. How did we get to this moment? Find out. Welcome to the world famous Ranthambore National Park, guys. This is a thriving biodiversity haven and considered one of the finest places in the world to see wild tigers. And it's not just about tigers. Look at that. Those are chinkara or Indian gazelle. Now, interestingly, these species inhabit drier or more arid areas, and that's why you can actually see them in one of the drier parts of Ranthambore Park. This is, in fact, Zone 6. And they also happen to be one of the fastest animals of our country. That's right, they can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. And here we have some more regular residents of Ranthambore. These are grey francolins or grey partridges, or in Hindi as we know them, teetar. Now these are ground dwelling birds, and as you can see, they are digging around looking for small insects to eat, but they also nest on the ground, so they will likely find a place with cover, scrape the ground, and then make a nest for their chicks. And here we meet some of the bolder residents of Ranthambore. So bold, they are in fact right inside the jeep. Now these are jungle babblers, and interestingly, look at this. I take the camera close. They don't move or fly off. They've gotten so bold because they think there's food in the jeep. Sorry guys, not this time. And look at that, isn't that a sight for sore eyes? That is the grand train of an Indian peacock. Look at him fluttering his wings, trying to get the attention of the females behind him. Boy, these males really have to work hard to get the attention of the ladies. And we continue on safari, passing through the golden grasslands here on this plateau of Zone 6 in Ranthambore. Truly an honor to be visiting and traveling through this wilderness. And is that a baby Komodo dragon? Well, not exactly. This is a Bengal monitor, though it does belong to the same family of monitor lizards as the Komodo dragon. And it's in fact here as well, to the left of that Indian ruddy mongoose drinking water. I'm hoping that you can actually see it. And there he is, the star attraction of Ranthambore. This is one of the dominant males here known as Kumba, and he's walking on those hot stones that have been baked by the intense summer heat. And here he is doing what tigers do best. There you can see him lapping up that water as well, but as you can see, he stepped into the water, which makes his intentions very clear. He's possibly going to plonk himself. There you go, settling himself nicely into this cooling water. Tigers are real water babies. And here's a closer look of where he's sitting. As you can see, it's not just him. That's a green beater dipping into the water. Lots of other birds, a drongo as well, peafowl in the background. This is a time of intense water stress with temperatures touching 50 degrees Celsius. So everybody is looking to drink water and cool off. And that's why you can see us all around the jeep as well. You can see Kumbha is pretty relaxed sitting in the waterhole. And I think he's chilled enough. Yep, there you go, up he gets. And onwards to patrol his territory against intruding males that might look to mate with the females in his territory or to kill the cubs he has sired. The hard life of a dominant male tiger. Well, we hope you enjoyed that virtual safari, and if you'd like to watch more of these safari videos, please do subscribe to our channel. In case you'd like to undertake these virtual safaris as soon as they are online, please do tap the bell notification icon.